Okay, so adjusting your glues. What you have here is you have this ring, and then you have this washer here. So as the dosage rod opens, what happens is it strikes against this collar. So the farther that collar is allowed to go back, the more this shaft will slide into it. That in turn, as soon as I manage to pull this out, here with me, pulls this coupling here, and then in turn will allow your dosage rod to open or close. So the quantity of glue that's applied is governed by this collar right here. The more you can turn the collar in, the more that it's going to open. There is a certain point where you can go too far, and if you do go too far, then you have to bring it back, because the holes on the face of your dosage rod over here only are exposed so much. And if you go past them, then it starts to close back off. But you really have to have everything screwed up between this linkage in here to ever have that as a problem. Also, on this, if I can get this up in here where we can actually see it, bear with me here, let me see if I can get there. You see on the top of this cylinder, trying to get past my tripod here,